So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll cover another amazing lab, that is classify images with TensorFlow neural network. So first of all, click on start lab and open the console incognito window. And now if you are new to this channel, like the video and subscribe the channel for more such amazing videos. So here click on I understand, and if it asks for username and password, check the lab instruction for it. So this lab is very easy but little bit time consuming. That doesn't mean its lab is very hard, I mean tricky. It's very simple. Only thing you need to do, make sure the video is running and your laptop does not go on sleep. Because if it goes on sleep, you have to restart the lab and there is no another way to complete this lab. So wait for it. So this tutorial will be complete. Now from here on the navigation menu, we have to open Workbench. So just follow the way I am doing. And we'll be working on the Jupyter Lab notebook. So if you haven't checked the other labs and skill badges, check the description for it. Now just close it here and just open the Jupyter Lab. So finally you have to open the file named CLS Vertex AI CNN. So just click on it and it will open. So as you can see from the task number 2, verify the name and just open it. Now here you have to make important settings so that you don't miss with any lab issue. So first of all, as you can see, the default kernel is Python 3. We have to update it to TensorFlow 2.11 or the latest version as per lab instruction. So sometimes the pop-up does not come. So how you can set? Click here and just select TensorFlow 2.11. Just select it. Now here also we have to make some modifications. First of all, we have to update the project ID and region. So now for this task, first of all, wait the kernel status to go idle. Meanwhile, here we have to add the project ID. So let me show you how you can add the project ID and where you have to add it. So here, as you can see here, copy the project ID from here and just paste over here. Just paste it. From here, make sure to follow the way. First, let's install this important requirements and then we will update more things. So here, as you can see, we have to update the region and bucket name too. So first of all, let's update the region. If it's same as per lab, do not update it. Make sure to cross verify from the lab manual. That is the lab instruction page. Now we have to update the bucket. So just replace carefully. Just follow the way I'm doing so that you don't miss any. So that you don't get any error. Now update it again, update it here. Now here one thing you need to do, that make sure to verify if there is any other modifications. So we need not to modify anything else. With this lab is little bit lengthy, I repeat. So you need to have some patience. Apart from this, let the video running. Because if you leave the video or your laptop goes on sleep, you have to restart it. So wait for these requirements to get installed. After that, we will restart the kernel. As you can see, the kernel status is now idle. So just click on this play button and it will be restarting. Now what you have to do, click on OK and wait for the kernel status to go idle again. And after that, we will move forward to the next part. So as you can see, kernel status is now idle. Now you have to click on this shell, click on run selected shell and all below, and it will take some time. So basically how much time it will take? It may take up to 45 to 50 minutes, sometimes even 1 hour. So you need to wait for it. So let's wait, and after that we'll hit check my progress. Basically we are creating two deployments. One is endpoint deployment and basic is the training data set. So wait for some time. If you want to view the model, how it's working, it's running or failed, you can click on this link and it will open the cloud console and we will be able to see the training dataset. So let me show you how it looks. Meanwhile, if you haven't subscribed the channel, subscribe it and like the video for more such amazing contents. So as you can see, it's showing training in progress. So just click on this arrow icon to go back to the main page, and here you won't be able to see this. Why? Because here is the trick, because here the region is different and we have deployed it in a different region. So make sure to check the lab region. You can do one thing, you can type it or just copy and paste on the filter and select it. Now as you can see, the training pipeline has been showing now. The status is now pending, it will be ready and then completed. After that we will deploy the endpoints, so it will take some time. So let's just wait only. The only thing you can do is wait, and after that we'll hit check my progress and see whether we get full score or not. You can see the duration is updating, so you need to wait more. So I have fast forwarded the video. So the only thing in this lab is that you need to wait for the kernel to get idle. And apart from this, make sure you have kept the laptop on not on sleep, and any video you can run this video also is running and the lab will be active and you'll get the score. So just wait. Suppose you want to view the endpoints also. So how will you find it? When you will hit check my progress for the remaining tasks, you want to get the last task score. Otherwise, all tasks have been got the score. Now here, if you want to open the endpoints have been updated to model registry or online batch prediction. So you can check it model prediction, and I mean the online prediction. As you can see here, it's showing ready, but we are not getting score. Why do you know? Because we are deploying a version of it, and the version is still in deployment state, which is not ready, and once it will be ready, we'll be able to get the score. So when we'll click on this, let me show you. As you can see, the status is still deploying. Once it reaches to ready, I mean updates to ready, we'll get the score definitely, and we'll be done with the lab. So kindly wait for it. Meanwhile, you can explore the, you can do other household works and let the laptop work itself. So finally, as you can see, the status is now ready. Now we'll hit check my progress and see whether we get full score or not. Meanwhile, if you stayed till now and haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe it and like the video. So let's go ahead and hit the check my progress. So one more thing I want to say, suppose you failed, suppose you are getting kernel issues, you need to do one more thing, that you need to restart the lab. The only thing is that you have to restart the lab and just keep this video running and make sure your laptop is not going to sleep. How you will do? You have to just start the lab and execute the Vertex AI notebook, that is these commands you have to execute, and on the window you have to just open this video and restart or let it be running. So what will happen, the laptop will see this as any work is going on and it will not go on sleep. I hope it clears your doubt. This is the main thing which you need to take care of it. So now let's move to our task, that is we have deployed this endpoint also and the model also. Now we'll do one more thing, that if you want to view it, you can view it here and just hit check my progress. You will get the score without any issue, and that's the way we have